Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the best smart bidet toilet seats of 2024. Get ready to upgrade your bathroom experience with the latest in cleanliness and convenience. Let's dive into it. Let's begin with the Brondell Swash SE600 bidet toilet seat, a clear option for the best smart bidet toilet in 2024. This sleek white bidet seat is specifically designed to accommodate elongated toilets, quickly enhancing your bathroom experience with modern features. The Swash SE600 has an oscillating stainless steel nozzle that provides a thorough and hygienic clean with each usage. This nozzle's adjustable location and oscillation function allow for a tailored cleanse that meets your specific comfort and cleaning requirements. And one of the SE600's striking features is its warm air dryer, which eliminates the need for toilet paper while adding a touch of luxury by gently drying you after each use. The warm air dryer feature adds another degree of comfort and convenience, especially during colder months. The Brondell Swash SE600, with its user-friendly controls and exquisite design, flawlessly combines technology and luxury. Its simple installation and high-quality components make it a top choice among smart bidet toilet seats for people wishing to elevate their bathroom experience with a touch of modern luxury. Next up is the LUXE Bidet Neo 320+. A good pick for individuals looking for a versatile and user-friendly bidet attachment. This revolutionary device stands out for its proprietary design, which includes superior 360-degree self-cleaning twin nozzles. These nozzles give both back and feminine washes, ensuring a comprehensive and personalized washing experience for all consumers. The LUXE Neo 320+ features an easy-to-install sliding mechanism, allowing a hassle-free installation without the need for professional assistance. Its warm water option adds a touch of warmth, making every use a relaxing experience. The bidet's ingenious hinge construction assures longevity and ease, while the self-cleaning nozzles make hygiene simple. Combining functionality and ease of use, the LUXE Bidet Neo 320+ is a fantastic bathroom update thanks to its high-quality build and easy controls. It's ideal for individuals looking for a dependable, modern bidet attachment that provides both comfort and functionality. And now, let's talk about the Alpha Bidet UX Pearl, a true gem for those who want to elevate their bathroom experience with a touch of luxury. This elongated white bidet toilet seat is more than simply aesthetically pleasing. It has an ultra-low profile that blends flawlessly with your toilet, giving it a sleek and contemporary appearance. However, it is not just about looks. The Alpha Bidet UX Pearl features an arced stainless steel nozzle for a thorough hygienic clean. You'll also have access to a limitless supply of warm water, so you'll never be chilly. And don't forget about the built-in LED nightlight, which provides both a gorgeous glow and useful illumination to your bathroom. With its advanced features and beautiful appearance, the Alpha Bidet UX Pearl is ideal for anybody looking for a bidet that is both luxurious and functional. For a genuinely luxurious experience, the Toto SW3084-01 Washlet C5 is an excellent option. Consider a bidet that provides a gentle yet stimulating clean thanks to its adjustable warm water and pressure settings. Its dual-action spray, which includes an oscillating option, provides a refreshing cleaning each time. The bidet's soft-close heated seat provides consistent warmth, and the air deodorizer effectively eliminates any bathroom odors. The integrated warm air dryer makes for an easy and clean finish. Innovations like the pre-mist function, which mists the toilet bowl before each use, help prevent waste from sticking, while the eWater Plus wand cleaning system keeps the wand itself sparkling clean. With a user-friendly remote control giving customizable water cleansing settings and 2 user memory profiles, you can customize your experience to your exact preferences. This bidet combines technology and comfort, turning every visit into a moment of luxury. Finally, we have the Brondell SE600 EW. Swash Electric Bidet. Toilet seat represents the pinnacle of modern bathroom luxury. This smart seat complements any decor while providing an array of functions for superior comfort and cleanliness. With its one-touch auto mode and adjustable wash settings, you may get a tailored cleansing with the simple press of a button. The easy side arm control panel allows you to change the water pressure, select oscillating, washing, massaging, or pulsing sprays, and set the ideal water temperature for a relaxing experience. And its heated seat and adjustable temperature provide comfort from start to finish. The bidet features a gentle close lid and an illuminating LED light for easy seeing, even in low light. The aerated water delivers a soft wash, and the self-cleaning nozzle retracts to improve hygiene. With its gentle spray and warm air dryer, this bidet promotes sustainability and provides an environmentally responsible alternative to traditional toilet paper. That's all for now, folks. We hope you liked our video. Hey, it's excellent to subscribe, so please click the bell icon, like, and subscribe to get updates on our most recent videos. Also, all product links are mentioned in the description box below, so check them out. Thank you for watching.